Forests, often called the lungs of our planet. They cover about 31% of the Earth's land area and provide habitat for 80% of terrestrial species. Forests are essential for regulating the Earth's climate, purifying our air, and supporting livelihoods for millions. In only a couple of thousand years, humans have wiped out 80% of the planet's original forest cover. For every vanishing forest, we lose the most important buffer against climate warming. Globally, we lose 10 million hectares of forest each year, an area roughly the size of South Korea. In Pakistan, the situation is even more alarming. With just 5.7% of land under forest cover, far below the global average, Pakistan ranks among countries with the lowest forest coverage. These forests, though limited, play a crucial role in mitigating climate change and supporting biodiversity. Pakistan's forest cover is not only small but rapidly declining. Deforestation, urbanization, and land use changes are the primary drivers of this loss. In fact, Pakistan loses an estimated of 27,000 hectares of forest every year. The impacts of this are profound. Deforestation exacerbates climate change, increases the frequency of floods, and leads to soil erosion. Urban sprawl has also replaced vast green belts, leaving many areas vulnerable to natural disasters. Moreover, the loss of forest habitats threatens Pakistan's rich biodiversity, including endangered species like the snow leopard and the Himalayan brown bear. Recognizing the urgent need to address deforestation, Pakistan has taken bold steps through the Billion Tree Afforestation Project and the 10 Billion Tree Tsunami Project. These initiatives, launched under the vision of a greener Pakistan, aim to restore degraded forests and expand forests cover nationwide. As of now, over 1.5 billion trees have been planted, creating green jobs for thousands and enhancing carbon sequestration. These projects also contribute to Pakistan's commitments under the Paris Agreement and the Bond Challenge. Their benefits extend beyond climate mitigation to supporting biodiversity, reducing flood risks, and improving air quality. While the Billion Tree and 10 Billion Tree projects are commendable, they are only a piece of the puzzle. Pakistan's forest cover remains critically low and deforestation persists in many regions, but is planting trees enough to secure our future? Can we truly combat climate change and protect our biodiversity without addressing the root causes of deforestation?